Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm gonna show you how to add in filter, reverb, or echo effect to your audio source in Unity. So as you see, this is my Unity project, just named Echo Tutorial. It's just standard, but it doesn't really matter what the template is. I have a random scene, and in my assets folder I have the default scenes folder with my scene and the clap sound, which I imported from soundbible.com. So it's just a clap sound. It doesn't matter what audio file you use, it'll always have the same effect. So let's create an empty game object in our scene. Call it audio or something like that. Now I'm gonna add a audio source. I'm gonna add an audio source component, dragging the audio file into the audio clip, and let's play and see. So we see the audio source, just gonna loop. So it all depends on what type of effect you want to add first. So for now, I'm gonna add an echo effect. So echo, I'm just gonna go echo filter, just like that. Now if I run the game, so there's something like delay effect or echo. You can change the delay, so if you make it like 300 instead of 500, you can make it so it adds a little like that, or you can make it like 600, and it's gonna make it even, the delay is gonna be bigger. So I like this one. You can change the decay auto ratio and then the dry mix and wet mix. Now I'm gonna add a reverb. Let's see to add some reverb, audio reverb filter. So if we now play the game, so it has a reverb effect. We can change the dry level. We can change the room. So we can change those reverb inputs and outputs. So this is the how to add a reverb. Now let's try adding a filter. So when it comes to filter, there are two: low pass and high pass. High pass, if you see, if you run the game, it like does a bit that. It's like the high pass. You can adjust the resonance. And when I'm saying low pass, it's this effect. So this high pass and low pass, and then as this effect is this. It's also a cool effect for filter. And then another effect is the reverb. Wait, reverb added. I mean the distortion. This is just a bonus. Distortion. It adds a distortion effect to your audio source. So I hope I didn't boost your speakers because that was a bit loud. But this is how you add simple effects to your audio source. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, please like and subscribe to this video. And if you like what I do and my content, please support me on my Patreon page. The link is in the description below. And as always, goodbye. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.